Hi, welcome to this video. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the loop expression and how it can help us speed up our work process. It should not be confused with the loops created with the ball bounce from the previous lesson, since, in that case, the loop was created because the animation ended and restarted again. It is very easy to apply the loop expression. To start, we will make a simple animation position from one point to another. And with F9, we smooth the speed at its ends. When previewing, we see that it makes a single movement. To apply the expression loop, we need to click on the stopwatch while holding the Alt key pressed. Next, we write the loop out expression. As you can see in the 2020 version of After Effects, as you write the expression, different options appear, and it is much more intuitive to write expressions. We press 0 on the notepad to preview, and we see that the movement restarts again and again without the need to create more keyframes. Interesting, right? Now, we are going to add a variant. Inside the parentheses, we're going to write ping pong between quotation marks. Now preview. Animation now comes and goes throughout the composition. We can separate or bring the keyframes closer together to change the speed of the animation. Imagine yourself doing this over and over to the end of the composition. Finally, I will show you one last variant. Let's change the animation path a bit to see better what the following variant does. Delete the ping pong text and write offset and preview. Look how interesting! It continues making the same animation, but in this case, it also continues scrolling. We go to the first keyframe, select the two keyframes, and drag them out of the composition. Preview, and see how the ball enters the screen alone and continues its movement without having to do anything else. There is another variant called continue, but I have never used it and I don't see much use for it. In the next lesson, we will see what shortcuts are and how to use them to speed up our work process.